In this video, I'm going to show you how to install Subnautica 2 on a PC. Now, the first thing you want to do is you want to open up any web browser like you normally would. For this video, I'm going to be utilizing Google Chrome. And what you want to do is you want to go to the search bar and look up Steam Download. And Steam is a free platform that is going to allow us to actually install games, including Subnautica 2. So please go to the official Steam website. Then you're able to go ahead and install it completely for free. This is where you would go ahead and install it. I already installed it, so I am good to go. But that is where you're able to go ahead and download it if you haven't already. So anyways, what you want to do is you want to open up the Steam app right over here. So anyways, once you open up the Steam app, you're then going to be brought to a page that looks like this. And all you want to do is you want to go to the search bar and look up Subnautica 2. And right now it's currently doing incredibly well. So there it is. So all you want to do is you want to press on Subnautica 2, and then it's going to give you like a brief trailer and stuff like that. And again, Steam is just really good for downloading like PC games and stuff like that. So anyways, what you want to do is you want to scroll down, press over here where it says buy Subnautica 2, or you guys can buy Subnautica the Deep Ocean Bundle, which will include more features. You can read more about that over here, but that is 100% up to you. For this video, we're just going to be installing the base game, which is Subnautica 2. You want to press on My Cart, then it's going to appear right over here. From here, please go ahead and proceed to select on Proceed to Payment. Then you guys can pay using your PayPal account, a debit card, a credit card, etc. So I'm going to be using my PayPal account right over here, and then I'm going to press on continue and then finish the process from there. So I'll be right back with you guys just like so. All right, once you finish purchasing the game, it's then going to say thank you for your purchase, just like this. And now all you need to do is you need to go over here to this top menu and press on library. And then in this left menu, you should be able to see that Subnautica 2 is going to appear right over here. By the way, if it's your first time ever using Steam, then you are going to need to create a Steam login, which thankfully is an incredibly easy process. The only thing to take note of is obviously you don't want to forget your password or your username. But here we have Subnautica 2. And then you're able to go ahead and select on install. Keep in mind that it will take around 15 gigabytes worth of storage. So let's go ahead and begin installing it right over here. You could select on whichever drive you want to install it to. And then you want to press on install just like this. And then from here, just wait for it to finish downloading. All right, once Subnautica finishes installing, please go ahead and select on play. And now it is going to begin launching. Now, if it takes like a couple minutes, even up to like 30 minutes to install, do not worry, that is perfectly normal. And sometimes it may take longer depending on your internet speed. But anyways, you also might get something that looks like this. So just select on allow access. And then check this out. Here we are in Subnautica 2. And then from here, you can begin playing. If you guys found this video helpful, make sure to leave a like and subscribe. I'll see you in the next video.